If you are currently living from a place that makes you feel completely alive and completely true to your soul, then take a deep breath and congratulate yourself on living a life that makes you happy. But if you feel like something is missing, if you harbor an aching feeling that things could be better, if you know that you were put on this planet to do much more than you currently are, if you crave to coach, teach, lead, or change realities, then join me as we explore a system of breaking down barriers to create a path of freedom. Hi, my name is LeLa Becker, and I'm an inspirational author and an intuitive personal freedom coach for coaches. I have traveled the world studying with hundreds of teachers, sages, babas, and tribal elders in search of a path towards personal freedom. While studying in India, it hit me like a thunderbolt. And now, my life's passion is teaching people how to live from their heart and to be free. This is a system in which we learn to let go of social constructs, limiting beliefs, expectations, and other people's stories that have gotten trapped in your body. This is a beautiful place to be, in this moment, in this now, because all the paths that you have taken have brought you to this moment. And it is now that you might be having that aha moment, deciding to take the first step towards letting go, breaking free, and discovering your limitless potential.